Good morning, fellow gardeners. Well, we're here in the first few days of the new year, and we just want to show you a little bit about these greenhouses we're building, so that you know, the food prices are going sky high and scarce, and so many people are scared and want to build their own little high tunnel that grows the food in. So we're trying to help out if that's your desire. What we're showing you this morning is a little 14, and it's only 8. It's only a section of one. We set this up for a demo. A little 14 by 24 is 3 times this long. Josh, you might want to step out there, one of you, where 24 foot would be. Or Sherry, Sherry can. And that's about how long a 14 by 24 right there. 14 by 24 would be from here down to Sherry. And this is 14 wide, 24 long. Now this is on skids, so what we do, we lay the 2 skids down, put the 2 cross pieces in, and then we start setting the bows in. And Josh and Richard's going to show you how to set these bows up. So Richard, if you and Josh should pick that up and set it up in there. Now, Richard's going to put his in first. And now notice, this sticks on out past the pipe. Don't get excited. We built them out of the way so that it'll put some pressure against them as Josh brings that in and puts it in there. And that's the way you set the bows in. There's a bow every 4 feet. And so after you get your bows in, then we're going to put the door in the end. And what we do, we measure to the center, find the center of the 14, that'll be 7, and then we mark out 2 feet to the left side to put the first doorpost in. Y'all go ahead and put your doorpost in if you want to, and show them where it's at. And probably putting the door in is probably the hardest thing for people that come and get kits to do, is because we have to set this post. We have to set this post to the square of the bottom. So anyway, they're setting that post square with the bottom of the house. And then they're going to hang the door on it. There's two hinges on that doorpost. And you hang your door on that, and then set your second post, and that way the door will close square against the house. We're fixing to make a trip over into the Carolinas with some houses. Okay, we got the 2 posts in for the door, you can see, and the door swing up against it and latch on it. Then they have to put a header above the door. And we'll show you how to put that header up there. And you do that on each end of the house, and then you're ready to put plastic on it. So we just want you to know that we are still delivering these houses. We're going into the Carolinas this next month or so. And so if you're in Arkansas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Tennessee, down through there, give us a call. You know my number is 580-564-5909. And you can call the Garden Center if you need information on the wicking tubs or a price list sent to you on the high tunnels. And that's Sherry at the Garden Center is 580-564-2166. All right, thank you for watching this, and happy gardening this year of 2023. See, they got the door up. Now then, we're ready to put plastic on when we get the other door up. Y'all have a happy gardening center seasoning.